Hi, it's me, Bradley Matera. I pretty much already uploaded everything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that I did already, so I can make this go a lot faster. The tests had already been passed. Here's my Git. Here's my GitHub desktop. I don't know if it doesn't prove anything, so here's my GitHub, my server, Postman collections. It's already in there. This is going to be the link. I'll make sure to give you the link. Yeah, so there's no GitHub. There we go. Okie dokie. Back to the GitHub. We'll go ahead and run the. Yeah, I don't really want to run any more tests. So we'll just go ahead into the codes. For my post, I did include taste and origin in here, but they don't necessarily need to be used this way. I demonstrate that in my other collections for my relationship testing, but that's not a relationship. To put these in this large post is not in there as well. For my testing consists in this order: post, get by ID, put, and then delete. So my Postman collection, MongoDB collection. The reason there's so many breezes is because of all the different testings. The tests where it didn't delete correctly. All right. Post. Goodness gracious. We're just going to do this full screen because it's a pain in the butt. So we'll just go this one by one. Okie dokie. So we have post. It's going to have mostly properties. And it's going to have the, basically, it's going to check if it's going to create, it's going to confirm. So we have the status code, confirm that it created it. It's going to be using cheese ID, which is the variable that I created up here. And then it's going to basically make sure to confirm that it is, and it's going to confirm all the properties. It's pretty short for this original post, because I really don't need to put in the other things for this example. For relationship testing, I do have my for tastes, and then I have origin. But you already know how my schema is set up. So for my get, I do have for each property, just because I really am just trying. I was trying to do something different because seriously, everything is essentially just checking the function, checking the code, the status code, and then you can check if it is an array, which is the data type. But besides data type and status code, I was kind of grasping at straws. Like my delete is essentially your same delete. It's just like a reoccurring command, but you have to have it all there in that order. So, yep, data, it's not empty. Test to verify that it contains everything. And then basically all the properties, the amount, and then we have response times, like you said, pretty much this. So I can make these longer, and then didn't really do any of this, but I mean, it's pretty simple. We have variable template, and then you can just use this template and then fill in the blanks. Sorry, I can't tell you what T8 stands for. Yeah, it also has to have this construct visualization payload response for the test as well. because without it, it will not test correctly. But we won't count this as one of the tests. I have 20 tests. I only need 15. Obviously, this shouldn't count as one. Then we have my example. Not by ID, by ID. And then for origin taste specifically, if I want to get the IDs, or if I want to get them back too, I get them back too. Sorry. Just, and then we get put by ID. Pretty much the same thing, but I have, if I want to just do origin or origin or taste, I can differentiate that way. And then always saving my cheese ID variable for future requests. Because if you don't save for feature requests, the whole chain of testing doesn't work. Response, and then this is what I was talking about. Response status is okay. Then verify it contains the success confirmation. It's verifying that the response is confirmed. So it's confirming that it is confirmed. So my first one is confirming. This is confirming that it confirmed. Okay. This is confirming that it used the right credentials to confirm that it confirmed. Okay. Now this is confirming that what it did what it was supposed to do using the correct credentials to do what it did to confirm. Okay. Keeping up. Okay. Now the very last one is time, because we can't go any further down that rabbit hole. So I believe that is that's it. Testing status is the status, which is the function. So what it was to do, and the payload, which was essentially the JSON. So what it was, the type of data. So the payload, which is the data, and the expectation, which is my test, and then what do we expect in response. And then we're going to say several seconds valid. And that's what we have the times. Not for all of them, just for a couple of them, to kind of demo it. This is all not finished and unfinished and could be better. But yeah, so I don't know if I already covered it. I did in several of my other videos, but hopefully at the very beginning I did already. But basically, my schema was messed up in my last submission, because the way that my Postman was set up is I actually had my data it wasn't inputting. I didn't have all the correct variables. I was missing this, and I had it in my input JSON. So I caught it with testing, thank God. And now I feel better. I know how to do testing. So, all right, but that should cover everything. It has been uploaded. My thing is current, and I will submit this YouTube video when it's finished. Thank you very much, and have a good day.